Okay, it's a really beautiful day today. A little bit overcast. We got some sprinkles earlier in the day, and I think it's supposed to rain later tonight a little bit more. But as you can see here, I received some topsoil today. Have topsoil and compost, and here I have 2 yards of topsoil, and then the compost is 1 yard. So I'm going to mix it all up together, and I have one of my raised beds in place there, and I'm going to place the other one right next to it, there where the compost pile is located. But the garden is going together very well, and my plan is to put ground cover over the entire garden this weekend, and then I'm going to place the beds today and fill those up with the compost and the soil, and then anything left I'll just distribute it over the entire garden. And then if it doesn't rain too much, maybe tomorrow I'll start working on my fence. I mentioned in an earlier video that I'm going to put in an electric fence, and it's going to be what they call a 3D fence. So there are going to be 2 fences, and again, it's going to be an electric fence, and it's going to cover the entire garden area. But now that the weather's warming up more, I'm planning on getting something in the ground this weekend. I'll be putting the cover down again over the entire garden. Be sharing a video on that hopefully tomorrow if it doesn't rain too much. But anyway, this is just a quick update just to show what the compost and topsoil look like, and also getting the raised beds in place. Okay, just a quick update on the garden. Yesterday I had some topsoil and some compost delivered, 2 cubic yards of soil and 1 yard of compost, and I mixed it in together. So now I have my beds placed. I should have thought ahead just a little bit and had the beds in place when the truck came yesterday. I had to basically move all the material into these beds that you see here. So I have everything in place now. It took a little bit of an effort, but the soil is really good. The compost looks great. I just had 2 large lumps of soil there just on the other side of the bed there. So I'm gonna probably be tossing those into the forest right over there. But everything's looking good. Probably will be planting some plants today here in the raised beds at least. Also planning to work on my garden, in-ground garden today. I have some ground cover that I'll be placing here over the entire garden area. I have the stakes, so I have everything I need for that, and I'll be working on that here today. But yeah, as I said, just a quick update on the garden, just to share where things are. I'm really pleased with how the beds came out. The compost and the soil is a really good medium for plant growth. And so hopefully today I'll be putting some plants in the ground. So just wanted to provide this quick update.